Tired of endlessly scrolling to delete old Discord messages on your phone? I'm about to show you a super quick way to clean up your chat history. Okay, first things first, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're in the direct message or the specific channel where you want to delete messages. Now, long press on the message you want to delete. This will bring up a menu of options. You should see a menu pop up. If it's your message, and if the server permissions allow it, you'll see a delete option. Tap on delete. Remember, you can only delete your own messages unless you have moderation privileges in the server. Confirm your choice. Discord will likely ask you to confirm if you really want to delete the message. Tap yes or delete to confirm. The wording might vary slightly depending on your phone. Alright, now here's where the speed comes in. Repeat the long press and delete process for each message you want to get rid of. It's definitely faster than deleting messages one by one on desktop without a bot. As an alternative, if you are looking for specific messages to delete, try the Discord search bar. This could help you filter through old messages to find the ones you are looking for. One last important thing. Keep in mind that once you delete a message, it's usually gone forever, so double check before you confirm.